Hey Barry, why are you still working overtime? This is because the customer has a difficult problem to solve.
Just now, a customer asked me how to disassemble our machine because our machine is too big for their workshop to move in. So here, I will show you steps about how to disassemble and install our machine. Step 1. Remove the protective cover on Y-axis. Step 2. Remove the emergency stop buttons. Step 3. Remove motor screws and wires. Step 4. Remove the tin. Step 5. Remove the slider. Step 6. Remove the gantry. That's all steps about how our machine is disassembled and installed. Hope that will be helpful for you. That's all.